Hi guys, welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing these 10-inch Modern House numbers for you to put on your front of your house. They're made of 10-inch solid aluminum, so really great. I love them. They're really nice size, perfect. It's going to look really nice and everybody will be able to find your house easily with these numbers. They're really nice, really well made. You can stagger them, put them side by side, however you want in front of your house. But they're going to look really nice, and they're really solid and very well made. They come with the tools needed, to install into your wall on your house. And it comes with these templates, so that way it's easier for you to know exactly where to put the screws. So this is perfect. So highly recommend this product. I'm going to show you how amazing and how easy it is to install and how beautiful it looks in front of my house. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.